Hi all, good morning. Today I'm going to explain to you about Vedic maths. So let us see what exactly this Vedic maths is. So my motto is learning skills has no age limit. To learn your skills, there is no age limit. But whatever you share, if you have shared what is learned, then that will make you to develop in life. So this is my demo PPT. So now let us see. There is no fear of mathematics when there is Vedic maths. Is a main ideology behind maths. Vedic maths is the ancient system of mathematics which was rediscovered by Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji during the period between 1911 to 1918. The Vedic maths is a part of Atharva Veda and it is a gift to the world formulated by ancient sages. Like your current conventional mathematics, which has formulas, sub-formulas, and corollaries, the Vedic maths consisted of 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. Now, this particular numbers can be easily added in Vedic maths category. Now, let me annotate this. Okay, so you can see 2 plus 8 is 10. And let me take a different color here. Okay, or let me use a different symbol here. 7 plus 3 is 10. And 5 plus 5 is 10. So, the three friend numbers of 10, the three friend numbers of 10 the three friend numbers of 10, that is, you can say the three pairs here in this sum are 2 and 8, 5 and 5, and 3 and 7. These are the three pairs, there is three friendly pairs of 10, because the pair 2 and 8, either 2 plus 8 or 8 plus 2 sums up to 10. Similarly, 5 plus 5 sums up to 10. Similarly, 3 plus 7 or 7 plus 3 sums up to 10. Now you can guess the remaining pairs of the numbers which adds and gives you to 10. Let us guess. Yeah, you're correct. Yeah, you're correct. It is 1 and 9. 1 and 9 and 6 and 4. Either 1 plus 9 gives you 10 or 9 plus 1 gives you 10, the reverse direction. Similarly for 6 and 4. Now, let us see the next. Now, let us see the next thing which happens in this sum. Now, the total of 2 plus 8 gives you 10. Total of 3 plus 7 gives you 10. And the total of 5 and 5 gives you 10. So, in total, the 3 tens makes 30. Now, there is a balance of 4 here. which gives you 34, which gives you 34. Now, next, let us see the tens and ones logic. Now, let us see the tens and ones logic of addition of math in numbers in mathematics. This is also a Vedic maths technique. Fine. Okay, fine. Now, you can see here the tens and ones logic. 42 can be written as 40 plus 2. Here, 4 is in the tens place. 4 is in the tens place. And 2 is in the ones place. Similarly, 38 can be written as 30 plus 8. Similarly, 26 can be written as 20 plus 8. 20 plus 6. Now, 40. Now, adding all the tens, that is grouping all the tens, you get 40 plus 30 plus 20 plus now 2 plus 8 plus 6. Here we are grouping, as you can see, these are the tens and ones. We are grouping the tens together and we are grouping the ones together. So 40 plus 30 plus 20 gives you 40 plus 30 is how much? Correct. It is 70. Now 70 plus 20 is how much? Very good. It's 90. Now, do you know this? I believe you know this concept. 2 plus 8. We have learned the friend number of 10. It's a pair, one of the pairs of friend numbers of 10. That is 2 and 8. 2 plus 8 gives you 10. And plus 6 here separate. What is 90 plus 10, dear children? Yes, correct. It's 100. 100 plus 6, which is nothing but 106. So the answer is 106. You see that we got the answer. How nice it is, right? We got the answer. Now, just to know this method, it might be little time to learn it. But you can definitely do it in one single step if you know the answer. Now, let me rub the whole entire thing. And now, let us see another method, that is addition without carry. Addition without carry. Now see here, 56 is 56 plus 78 is the answer. In general method, what do you do, children? Yes, you add 8 and 6. We add 8 and 6, and which gives you 14. And do you know what is the carry over here? Yes, you know it. Very good. 1 is a carryover. 1 is a carryover. Now, 1 plus 5 plus 7 is how much? It is 13. 1 plus 5 plus 7 is 13. Sorry. 1 plus 5 plus 7 is 13. Now, the answer is by carry method it is 134. Now, let us see addition without carry. Okay. Shall we see addition without carry? Here, we take 78 is close to 80. Okay. So, what is the difference between 78 and 80 children? By how much is 80 bigger than 78? Yes, it is by 2. Difference is 2. Now, so what we do is we subtract 2 from 56 and add 2 to 78. What do we get? 56 minus 2 is nothing but 54 and 78 plus 2 is nothing but 80. Now shall we add the two numbers? 54 plus 80, which is nothing but 5 plus 8 is 13. And 4 plus 0 in the ones place gives you 4. So the answer is 134. See, we have done with carry and we have done without carry and it gave the same answers. This is the answer we get. Okay. Now, let us subtract. Okay. Let's see subtraction. Okay. Let's see subtraction. Okay. Now, let me change the color for this. 75 minus 48. The addition without carry and subtraction without borrow. Subtraction without borrow is almost the same. But only difference is we add the difference to both the numbers in subtraction. See, now we have to take carry over in this. Now 5 becomes 15. And 7 becomes 6 because we take one borrow from 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now, we are going to see how do we do the subtraction without borrow. Now we find the number which is close to 48, the whole number which is close to 48. Yes, 50 is close to 48. 50 is close to 48. And the difference is how much? Can you guess? Yes, it is 2. Difference is 2. So we add this 2 to both the numbers. That is, we add this 2 to both the numbers. That is, that is 75 plus 2 gives you 77. All this we do to balance and get the correct answers, children. 48 plus 2, which is nothing but 50. Now can we subtract 50 from 77? Directly we can write it, right? Wait, let me use another space here. Let me use some other color here. Shall we use orange? Okay. Let's annotate here. 77 minus 50 gives you 27. 77 minus 50 gives you 27. See, was there any borrow here? No, there wasn't any borrow here. So children, let's see. Now this will be a homework task for you. Kindly solve it and please put your answers in the comment section. Thank you, children. Let's see the multiplication techniques in the next class. Thank you very much. This is Meenakshi, Vedic Max tutor from SM School of New Age Learning. Thank you. Thank you once again.